Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Yo, it's 7:52 in the morning right now, and I'm heading at Walmart because I have my first order, which is $21 for. It's going. It's 7 mile. $21 for 7 mile, y'all, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 19 items, y'all. 19 items. Let's go shop this order. All done, y'all. Let's go check out. Just received another order, you guys. $15. It's going 3 mile. And I'm not even gonna take a cart because I'm only going to shop for 2 items. It's 2 baby clothes. So let's go get it. I'm done. They only wanted this 2-piece. Somebody got newborn. Oh my god. Somebody have a new baby. So cute. But I don't miss this stage, y'all. I do not miss this stage. I have 4 kids. And I'm done. I do not want to go back to this stage, y'all. Let me know how many kids you have, y'all. Let me know. Because, oops, get close. I have 4 of my own. How many kids do you have? So someone asked me how to check out. So let me answer you. So once you get here, you only scan this one and that's it. And you start packing. So I'm going to scan this part. You have to watch what your screen says and you just start packing. So I'm just going to start packing and I'm good to go. So now, let's go deliver. Just received another order, you guys. $13.70 and it's going 3 mile. And I'm only going to shop for 4 items. Only 4 items. So let's go shop it. $15 going 3 mile. I'm only going to shop for 8 items, y'all. Only 8 items. Received another order, guys. $21. It's going to 3 mile. It's going 3 mile. I'm only going to shop for 11 items. So this one here is a good order. It paid good. Hey, it paid good, and only going to shop for small item. 11 items. It's not that much. So let's go shop. So this order was a curbside order. It was $21 for 8 mayo. Hello. and for 2 drop-offs. So this is my second drop-off. I already dropped my first one. So let's go drop it off. I received another shopping order, $21 for 3 mayo, and for shopping, only for shopping for 11 items. So that's good, 11 items. Yo, so we have a problem. I'm trying to hit arrival, but it's not, the app is not letting me. So I think it's an app issue, because I tried to turn off my phone, it didn't work. So I was like, you know what, let me just cancel the order. This is the message that came when I'm trying to hit arrival. So let's go, let's head outside, back in my car, and wait for another one, y'all. Because I just canceled the other one because couldn't let me do arrival. Yo, after that, they gave me like 2 more orders, 2 to 3 more orders, shopping orders. And every time I take the shopping order, boom, like it's not going through. So I guess for the shopping orders, I'm not gonna take no more shopping orders. Let me just stay here and wait for curbside order, because the system, we have a system issue right now. I don't know if it's everywhere or only here. I have no idea. And I just asked one of the person who works here too, who's doing Spark. He said, yeah, it's happening to him too. So I want to scream, but I can't. Yo, after like 15 minutes of the app issue, I just received a text message saying that the app is down. We know it. All right, we know it. Yo, it's been 1 hour since the app issue. So they sent me this good order, right? They sent me this good order. I was like, you know what, let me test it again if it came back. It was $26 for, I think, 3 Maya. I'm like, okay, let me test it. Let me just click on it, and boom, it worked. I'm like, but guess what, I'm going to buy a TV. I hope it's a small inch TV. I don't know, but let's go see. If it's a big TV, then I'm gonna cancel this order. But if it's one of those small TV, I'm gonna take this order. So I'm only going to shop for 7 items, yeah, 7 items. Yo, the order is going upstairs, right? And this is one of the things that he ordered too. This one is super heavy, so I'm about to cancel this order because it's going upstairs. So I'm not gonna lift this upstairs, plus a TV, plus this other chair. Let me cancel. Let me go ahead and cancel this order. So I went to check how heavy is the rest of the items. This also is heavy. I think it's this one. Yeah, he's getting this one. Super heavy. So yeah, let me go ahead and cancel this order, y'all. Yo, they gave me curbside order. All right, thank you. They gave me curbside order for $15 for 5 Mayo, 2 drop off. So she's done putting everything in my car. So let's go. Yo, I was about to deliver the wrong item to the wrong house. Let me go check the other one here. Thank God I double check, y'all. That's what I always said. Please, let's remember to double check every day. Yeah, so this is it here. So she told me for this one, she said it was for it was at the back. Huh? What am I saying? Anyway, just double check your item, y'all. Double check your item. And thank God I double checked. All right, now we're here. Let's go. Yo, a lot of you have been telling me to buy those laundry basket or wagon. But yo, I'm telling you, I don't know why I haven't purchased it. I don't know why I haven't bought it till now. I just don't know. I'm telling you, I don't know, but I need it. Sure. I think I'm gonna go buy those laundry basket instead of wagon. Let's deliver. Yo, this is not my first time to come to deliver to this house over here. Oh, so today is open. Nope. Oh, hello. How are you?
Good, thank you very much.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Let me bring water.
You can just bring some more back here. I'll come back out for it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is the other gatey house. I couldn't open the gate. So I'm just deciding to place things like that because I couldn't open it. I mean, I opened here. I tried to open this one. It didn't work. So, well, I hope they don't take my tip away. All right, we're done. Yeah, let's go back to Walmart. Just received another order, $26 for 11 miles and 3 drop-off. Let's go at Walmart. You guys, right now it's 4:57. 4:57, almost 5. And I'm not going home until I make 200, you guys. Right now, if I add this one to it, I'm going to have 175. 175. So I hope they don't take long time to bring out my order, y'all. I just hope they don't take long time. Yo, it's 6 right now, and I received another order, $28 for 6 mile, 3 drop off. So I'm on my way on my second drop off because I already dropped my first one. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. Yo, look where I am. I'm delivering the 3rd floor. Now I have to go back down to bring my last 2 soda. My last 2 sodas. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. It's crazy. So, after this one, I have another drop to go drop. And I think it's gonna be it, yeah. This is gonna be my last order. Unless when I drop this one, they give me another one right away. I'll try to see what is there over there. Oh, okay. Let's take this water. Guys, I'm done for my shift. I'm in Ras right now. Yeah, I'm in Ras. I went to get something. Anyway, my shift is over, you guys. And we made money. Yeah, for the day we made 2 or 3 for 10 hours, 11 hours. We made 2 or 3, you guys. I'm so excited. Anyway, if you really enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. And guess what? We are 900 subscribers. Please help me get to 1K, y'all. Help me get to 1K by subscribing. You've been watching me and haven't subscribed. I hope today is the day you subscribe to my channel. Anyway, thank you. Please thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment. Let me know, how was your day today? How was your area? My area was, yeah, it was good today. It was good, minus the hour the app was not working. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you. See you Monday.